Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is October the 4th, 2021. I wanted to come in today and give all of our community members the updated price prediction in Square. We want to see if the market in Square is still a buy, or are we expecting the market to dip and go lower? There's a couple of things that I'm seeing on a chart from our last video in Square, which was on August the 3rd, that we need to talk about as to, okay, yeah, maybe the market in Square might be ready to continue to go down. Maybe we might be in a downtrend into the market in Square. Guess what? You're not going to get this type of information from anywhere. All the videos on YouTube wants you to come in and always buy the market. They will literally tell you to come in and buy the dip in Square. But what if the market continues to dip, right? What if the market continues to go down in price and they're telling you to buy these dips into the market when the market hasn't done, or the market isn't done with moving lower in price? You need to have somebody to say, hold on, don't deploy any resources in any of these assets just yet, because the market's not done going lower. I'm going to show you that today for Square. We're going to talk about Square and see where the price is going to go. So make sure you tap in with me, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel, because we want you all to at least have a heads up as to where we're expecting the price to go. If you want to learn more, again, tap that bell notification so you don't miss out on our price predictions, so that you can do this for yourself. Now, one of the biggest things that I'm seeing into the market in Square since our August the 3rd video is the fact that two things is catching my eye on the price chart, and I want to show it to you. The first thing is that look at this volume, all right? Take a look at this volume. On this particular day, August the 2nd, 2021, in relation to where price was on August the 2nd, 2021, you guys can see that the market got rejected right there at $280, right? All of this volume is telling us that a big hedge fund or a player in the market had a whole bunch of Square to sell. And that is precisely what they did, because the market price in Square since August the 2nd could not go higher above $280. We've been in a downtrend since then. Look, the charts don't lie. The market got rejected on that high volume, and since then we've been coming down in price. That's the top, okay? $280 is the top. We shouldn't be surprised, because the market already shown us at least twice, in April and then again in February, that the market found around $280 as restriction. That's one reason why this market is in a downtrend. That's one reason why I'm looking for the price in Square to continue to go down. $280 is restriction. Second area is the fact that the market in Square is not keeping in track with the trend. We broke the trend in Square on September the 9th, 2020. Once the trend broke, we should automatically switch over from being a bull to being a bear, or at best, we should have switched over from expecting the price to go up to expecting the price to go down, right there on September the 8th, September the 9th. And then again, the market in Square tried to break back up above that ascending line on September the 23rd. And look at what happened. It didn't. It failed. It was unsuccessful at breaking back up above that ascending line. So we're still in a downtrend. The market is still weak in Square based off those reasons alone. Okay? So now, since we understand that the market price in Square is weak, the only two outcomes that price can go now, since we're not expecting the price to go up, would be one, consolidate and trade sideways, or two, we could start a bear trend, or the market will continue to go down, right? So I'm not going to be the all-out bear just yet. No, not yet in Square. I'm going to look for this price to start a consolidational trading range. Okay. So now we need to figure out, okay, cool, where will be the consolidational trading range, right? It's about two areas. Now I'm seeing this pretty strong area of support in Square all the way down here around $200. Okay. So now we are drawing out the playground, the play area that we're looking for the market to come and play over the next couple of weeks to months. This is what we're looking for the market to do. Now there's some areas here involved in between these two lines for Square. First area that we can see this market grab support is right around $225 to $220. Second area is around $210. Third is around $200. Those are the three areas that we can see this market try to grab support. Okay, right there. 225, 220, 210, 200. Now let's take a look at the chart on the 3-day time frame, okay? Because we're still looking for the market in square to go down. Now I want to show you where I'm looking at support. It's a shallow area of support right here, 230, 220, 210. So it's like a $10 increments that we're seeing this price in square can find support. Okay. Now, how did we end out last week in square? Look at that. Just last week, the market price in square closed on the low, which kind of tells us that we still got some momentum pushing the price down, that we shouldn't expect the market to be supported right now, not on the weekly time frame. How do we end out on a month? Look at the month of September. Again, we're still seeing weakness involved in this play in square. Okay. What about on the 3 months time frame? It's even worse, that we're still seeing this weakness involved into the market in square. So all in all, based off these time frames that I'm showing you, the market is showing us a lot of weakness. A lot of market participants are up here while prices trade around $280, $260, $250. They were selling the last 9 months. This month, the previous month, that started in April, and then the one in January. So pretty much for the rest of this year, this whole year, the market in square has been selling. People are selling their square in the market, while you got some people telling you to buy the market in square right now because they're looking for the market to continue to go up. Now, that might be the case in the next 500 years. We can see the price in square continue to go up. But currently, the market is looking weak, right? So, how low do you think the price is going to go is the next question that we need to try to answer. Now, I think you guys have already seen where we're looking for the market price to go in square, right? First area is around 230. Second area is around 220. Third area is around 210, right? That's where I'm looking for the price to go in square. Now take a look. We're still trading within this trading range, so all this not lost. We're still golden to allow this price to consolidate to eventually give us a breakout to the upside, maybe in 2022, 2023, who knows? We can see this market in square literally trade in between these two lines for the next 5 months, 6 months, 6 years. It could just bounce in between these lines, right? But within that, we can expect the market to go up. We can expect it to go down. And right now, we're expecting the price to go down in square, and we're going to watch this price to go down as long as the market maintains itself below 260, maybe even $267. We're going to play that weakness. Okay, it's simple, easy, not hard, not complicated. You guys can see our 3 areas of TP. First was 230, second is 220, third is 210. All right, so we're going to look for the price in square to give us some weakness based off the different time frames that we've seen, especially on the longer time frames. The 3-month time frame definitely is giving us some weakness, even as well as the monthly. So this is what I'm seeing. I wanted to come through and give you all an update as to what I'm noticing on the chart in square. The market currently is giving us some weakness. So are you prepared to see the market go down? Or you might be expecting something totally different. You might see something on a chart that I didn't address, which is cool. Just let me know. Drop me a comment so everyone in our community can see what your premise is in regards to where price is going to go over the next couple of weeks, right? Let me know. Drop me a comment right now. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.